Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Writing to stdout in Python can be a useful way to output information from your script directly to the standard output stream, which is usually the console. Python provides a convenient way to achieve this through the sys module. In this tutorial, we will cover how to write to stdout like a file object in Python, along with a code example to demonstrate the process. The sys module in Python provides access to some variables used or maintained by the interpreter, as well as functions that interact strongly with the interpreter. The sys.stdout object represents the Python standard output and can be used to write directly to the console, mimicking the behavior of a file object. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use sys.stdout to write to the standard output like a file object in Python. Import the sys module. Use the sys.stdout.write method to write text to the standard output. This method behaves similarly to the write method of a file object. In this code example, by following this tutorial and utilizing the sys.stdout object, you can easily write to stdout like a file object in Python. This functionality can be particularly useful for logging, debugging, and various other purposes where direct console output is required. ChatGPT.